name. Got the hottest chick in the game wearing my chain. That's right, ho.